Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As usual, before we start our lesson, kita ni akan mulakan dengan berselawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW selama 2 minit. Mari kita ni sama-sama membaca 3 niat penting sebelum memulakan selawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW. Yang pertama, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Yang kedua, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dan yang ketiga, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah di akhirat kelak. 2 minutes from now.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. 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 اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد.
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmatmu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmatmu, wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku, dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin. In this session, we will discuss about area of circle. So can you please get ready with your notes, page 59 until 60, and your worksheet, page 51 until 52. Okay? Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to use the formula A equal to pi r squared to solve problems involving area, diameter, and radius of circles. Okay, radi will be the plural for radius. Steps to success, our S2S to achieve our learning objective. First, apply the formula A equal to pi r squared to find area, diameter, or radius. Second, you need to round off the final answer to the nearest significant figure or decimal places. It's depend on what the question want. And last one, you need to solve the question given correctly. In this slide, it shows you the formula to find the area of circles. So remember this formula, A equal to pi r square. I repeat myself, the formula to find the area of circle will be A equal to pi r square. Please remember this formula. Now, let us start with this example 6. Find the area of a circle with, for part A, radius 5 cm, giving your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so apply the formula area equal to pi r square, and you need to give your answer in terms of pi, meaning that you need to have pi, this pi in your answer. Okay, so I will give you 1 minute to try. So 1 minute from now. Okay, now, by using the formula A equal to pi r square, so just substitute that r, keep that pi, it will become like this, pi times 5 square. So you solve this 5 square and you should get 25 pi. And don't forget to write your final answer here. So the answer is 25 pi. Okay, now we move to part B. You are given diameter equal to 28 meter and you are given pi equal to 3.142. So use the value given for pi here and you need to give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. I will give you 1 minute to try and be careful. Here is diameter. So how are you going to solve these questions? Okay, so 1 minute from now. Okay. We apply the same formula A equal to pi r square, and since here you are given diameter 28 meter, therefore the radius should be 14 meter. How? 28, this 28 divided by 2. Okay, so substitute everything. 3.142 times 14 times 14, and you should get 615.832. And be careful, the question asks you to give the answer correct to 3 significant figures. Therefore, you need to round off this value to 3 significant figures. And then you should get 616. Why 6 here at the back here? Because we rounding up. Okay, the next value is 8, so we round up, become 616. Therefore, your final answer will be 616. Next, example 7, still with page 59. The area of a circle is 81 pi square unit. What is the radius of this circle? So, the missing part for these questions will be radius. How are you going to apply the formula to get that radius? Okay, we are using the same formula, still we are using the same formula, but here we are not finding the area, but here we need to find the radius. So how are you going to use that formula to find the radius? Okay, I will give you 1 minute to try. Okay, now by applying the formula of area of circles, A equal to pi r square, so you substitute whatever given here. We only given the area, so just substitute that A become 81 pi like this. And as you can see here, we have pi both sides. Okay, we have pi both sides, and our object will be this r. Alright, our object will be this r, so we need to remove pi on this r side. Okay, so remove, we need to divide both sides by pi, cancel out, and then leave with 81 equal to r square. And as you can see here, I just changed the position. The r square I changed to left, and the 81 I changed to right. No mathematical action taking place here. I just changed the position. Okay, remember that one. After that, I need to remove that square because we only want radius, not r square. Okay, so if you want to remove square, just remember you need to square root the other side. Okay, just remember this one. Okay, to remove square, you need to put square root on the other side. Just remember this step. Okay, and then r equal to 9. Therefore, your final answer will be 9. Last example before we stop. Example 8. A mobile phone mast has a range of 3 kilometers. Whatever the question is, you just need to focus with the shape. Okay, like in these questions. In these questions, the shape is circle. Therefore, you focus what the question one. The question one, the area. After that, you need to recall the formula to find the area of circle. That's it. Okay. In exam, no matter whatever the question is, you just focus with the shape, read carefully what the question want, recall the formula. That's it. Okay. Now, here you are asked to find the area of the shaded region. The shaded region covers all of these circles. Therefore, we need that one whole circle. Alright? Give your answer to 2 decimal places. I will give you 1 minute to try. Okay, now you apply the formula. So substitute that radius. As you can see here, it is radius 3 kilometer, and I will keep that pi for now. And I simplified. I solved that 3 times 3 become 9 pi. And for this final one, I will calculate that pi times with 9. Okay. So 9 times pi, use your calculator. 9 times pi will give you 28.274. Why I keep that pi until the last step? So that it will reduce mistakes actually. Okay. So use your calculator. You calculate 9 times pi. You should get 28.274. And remember the question require 2 decimal places. The question asks you to give your answer to 2 decimal places. Therefore, your final answer will be 28.27, and your final answer will be 28.27. Okay, so that will be the last part for this area of circle. Don't forget to complete your notes and your worksheet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.